So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and a lot of you are facing issue with claiming the GCP credits for the prompt or virtual or maybe for Genie Academy Epic Edition or any other event. If you want GCP credits, here is the video how you have to claim. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to just click on the link which I have shared in the description box. From there, you have to just sign in with your personal Gmail account. Once all the things are done, it will just prompt you click here to access the credits, and then it will be just activating all the things over here. One more important thing, if the link is not working, you can just comment down below. Okay, I will just update the link directly. One more important thing I want to share, that sometimes what happens, you are thinking that you can use the same credits multiple times. No, you cannot use. You can use this particular credits only once per account. Okay, so if you want more credits, you can just use a different Gmail account over here. Now here just enter your last name and just click on accept and continue. So you can see credits have been applied. Now you can use it to deploy any of the AI agents or build the AI apps for the prompt words challenge. Now one more important thing, most people are facing issue with the billing. Okay, so from here you can see, okay, by directly it's showing manage billing account. In case it is not showing, you can click on billing, and then you have to navigate to the manage billing account. From here, you can see all the things are mentioned over here. Here, no projects are linked. So you can link from here also, or you can just directly navigate to the main home page. And from here, just do one thing, click on the billing again. Just click on the billing and just click on manage billing accounts. Click on your projects if you want to list all the projects over here. Now from here, if the billing is disabled, click on these three dots and just click on change billing and select the trial billing account, or if you're having any other billing account, and just click on set. Your billing will be updated, and this is how we claim the credits and fixed all the things. Thank you. To like the video and subscribe the channel. And most importantly, if you want to participate in the prompt words challenge, I have attached all the links in the description. All different events like Google Cloud Arcade, the Chennai Academy Epic Edition, I've covered everything in detail. So from there you can understand each and everything and participate in this opportunity free of cost.